gosh, what's inside of this other box? What is it? Oh, it's in the Wii, right? Oh, the thing I just wanted, right? You got me a Nintendo Wii. Think I want it. See? See that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Can't believe it. You heard what I wanted. See, Daddy? You heard what I wanted.
You're supposed to go slow because you're gonna rip it like that.
Okay.
You keep pulling it hard, you're gonna break it.
Okay. This is the remote control. Actually, I'm gonna see how to put it in. Let's see now. You just
Can you open another one?
push this thing up and put it in. What is this?
I'll show you right now.
Okay.
You're gonna open your other presents.
Oh, this is so heavy. A box. Is it a box? Oh, just got one. So I think we have to like take turns.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's take turns every game. Let's do the other one. Let's see, you have to take out this. Oh, there's nothing. Just cooking. Okay. Oh, it's kind of cool. Oh, it's a car light.
What is it?
This is where we're stuck.
Is it a card?
Let's see first. There's something to like pop out this guy. Pop out. Just pop out. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Let's see, and then let's find out what let's just find out what it is, and then we'll think what it is. Okay, Daddy?
Okay.
Okay, get this rocks. Well, we did. This is the top. Okay, so let's find out what it does. Pop out. So does this thing pop out? Yeah.